Hello everyone, we the students of Gokraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology are presenting you our major project that is Tagim by social ranking. So you might be wondering what is Tagim. Tagim is defined as tag plus image. So it is tag based image retrieval by using social ranking algorithms. Coming to the project, we have two modules, user and admin. While coming to the user module, where you can see three options. First one is select option, where you will be selecting one of the group which you are interested in, and next is username and password, and you can see two buttons, login and reset, and then new user. So if you are already a user, you will be directly entering the details, and if you are a new user, you will be clicking on register. So while coming to the register, you have certain specific fields which you should mandatorily fill those fields. So first is select group, and next is username, and next is password, and then you have to enter the email for the password, email of the user, and next you have to enter the mobile number. After entering the mobile number, you have to enter the date of birth of the specified user. And next you have to select the gender, and next you have to enter the address where you live, and then enter the pin code of the specified address, and then select profile picture by clicking on choose options. So in choose option, when you click on it, you will get a gallery open. So select the specified image as your profile pic, and then click on the final button, register. So now you are registered into the application. So now admin have to give authentication for your registration. So we'll be going to admin button. So admin have to log into the web application by using username and password. So after admin logins to the application, then the admin will be selecting all intra and intra users group. So here he will be selecting intra, and then he will be clicking on submit. Then you can see all the users of other groups, all the groups present in the application. So here the status of Shri is waiting. So when the admin clicked on it, it became to authorized. So now the user Shri can access the web application. So when you click on again, when you come to user, when you log in with the created by giving the username and password. Now by clicking on to login, you can see the website. So we have specified a number of operations to be performed. First one is view profile, in which you can see the profile details of yours which you have entered about the username, user group, email, and etc. And next, while coming to the second function, that is search intra friends. So you belong to the group flowers, then you can search the friends with who belong to the same group flowers. So you found a friend of Daisy, so you can send a request to her. So request sent. When she logins to the application, she can accept your request, then you both will become friends. Then next option is search interference. So interference is in all group friends, not only in same group. See YVC. Now for example, if we type YVC is from animals group, so you can send request to the YVC, then YVC will be accepting. If YVC will be accepting, then you will become friends. The next, view friend request. So this module mainly specifies that So here when you log in with selecting the group name of class and username Daisy and entering the required password, and when you click on the submit button, login button, you will be able to access the user profile. Then search intra friends. While click on this option, you can search the friends of same group, that is you belong to flowers group, so you can send request to flowers group of friends. You can see that request is sent. Then next we are going to search send image search request. So here we'll have a button send request where you can get image search request is already sent. When you log out of the application, then when you again enter the group as flowers and username, you're giving the username as Sri. So to check whether the request is sent or not from Daisy. So here when you enter into Sri user, you can see send image search request. When Daisy have sent the request, you'll be, so she also clicks on send request, then search request sent, a pop-up will be coming. And next, add image. In add image module, so you have the following fields, that is image title, where you will be typing the title for the image you want to add. And next, tag name, so you have to give a tag name for the following image. So when you give here roses as a tag name, then you have to type the image uses, you have to give the uses for the following image. So you type here decoration, so these are used for decorations. Image color, so the image color is red. Then description, so you'll be giving a description for the following image, so you have given beautiful. And when you press on choose file option, you will be getting a gallery from where you have to select the image. So you have selected the image, then you will be clicking on add image option. So when you scroll down, you can see image added successfully. The next, going to home option, accessing the another module, that is view my images. So here in view my images, you can see the added image, all the details of the added image. So you can also find another new thing, that is edit and delete option, where in edit option you can update the description of the following image which you have given in previous way. So in previous you have given beautiful, now you are giving attractive, and then if you click on update, then the update, see the attractive is updated. Then next, going to home module, in the user, then we are going to see search intra group friends. So the main is here, main thing is here. In search images, you have to type the tag or description you have given to the image. When you type the tag rows, you find the results of search results of different pics which are posted by different users. So when you click on view details of the rows of any one picture, see you can see uploaded user group, image name, date and rank. So the rank increases if you press on like. So before it is 1, now it is increased to 2. See, then next, when you press on unlike, the rank gets decreases, but we have to provide a reason before the rank gets decreases. So we have to provide the reason why we are unliking this picture. So then we will be giving the reason of no clarity. So, and when we press on submit, we can see the dislike details which are presented below by following by username and reason, and the rank is decreased from 2 to 1. So, and another option we have is comment. We can comment for this picture. So in the comment box we can give a comment. So if we provide the comment good, then click on submit. Then next, see the rank gets increased to 2, and we can see the comment details provided. So again, if we comment, so for positive, before one is a positive bad, so we got rank increased. Now we provided a bad comment, negative comment, that is bad, so the rank doesn't get increased, it stays on 2. So like we can comment by like, unlike and comment, we can increase the rank of the image. Next, going to the home module, similarly we can search intergroup images. Here we can search any other all group images by entering the tag name or description. So that's it. So now here you can see a tag name given as butterfly, and then click on the view details option in the search results. Then you will be seeing the image details of the user. So here we have the three options, like, unlike and comment, which increases the rank of the specified image. Then going to the home button, and the next function we are going to see is view image recommends. So here the users who will be recommending us the images, the results are found here. So next we will be seeing the function, last function, view my search history. So here in this view my search history function, by clicking on it we can see the search results. So search type, in the search type the group intra or inter is specified, and the keyword and date and time, so at which time the search is performed, is known. So we have finished all the functionalities in the user module. Then next we are logging out of the application. Now we are going into admin. So in the admin module, uh, the admin have to log into the application by giving username and password details. And then next we have, now we can see now we can see various operations that an admin can perform. While coming to the first operation, all inter and intra users, so the admin can see all the intra users and inter users who are logging into the application, or who are registered and etc. So the admin have to give the status as authorized from waiting for the user to access into the application. And then next, while going to select the intra group images, so here we can see all the group all groups present in the web applications, and the user names, emails, and status and view info. So here in more info we can see more details of the user. See here we can see the view profile details, so the date of birth, address, and all the details can be viewed here. And next, coming to the home button, we can see all friends status option. So by clicking on it, we'll be getting redirected into that page. And then you can see animals, uh, name, and you can see other friend status who are waiting. So if a friend sends a request to another friend, so here we can see the friend name, friend group, and all the details, that the status is accepted or waiting, and all those we can monitor, the admin can monitor. The next is view all images. By clicking on view all images, the page all images is appear. So here we can view all the images. So here, based on the ranking, so the highest rank of the image will be displayed at the top, and the least rank of the image, which is given by the users, is displayed at the least. So here the highest rank is horse with a rank of 27. So next, going to the home button, we can see the next option we can perform is view inter and intra group images, and then next the same, and all recommended images. So here you can see the recommended image is elephant with a rank of 8. Then next, going to the home button, and next we can see view all search requests. So here all search requests, so we can see user group, username, authorized, and requested it. So if we click on waiting, then the page gets redirected, and we can see the flowers group of username Shri is authorized. In the similar manner, the flowers group of Rosie username is authorized. Then next, going to the home button, we can see the next function is view all users search history. So here we can select the type of the user we want, that is admin can select a type, either inter or intra. So if we select inter group, then you can see in inter group search history. So user group, username, keyword, what he have searched, and date and time. So various users of all the present in the same group can be viewed here by the admin. And next, going to the home button. Okay, we are going to select intro also. So while submitting the button, we can see the group wise history. So here we can see all the groups, search history based on the keyword and date and time. And next, home, while going to the home button, we can see the next is view dislikes. So the users might be disliking some of the images, so the disliked images are here presented. So we can see the disliked images. So if we click on view dislike details, the details of this particular image will be specified. And next, going to the last one, that is view image rank results, which is very important. So the rank of a particular image varies with other image. So here you can see image results based on rank. So you'll be seeing a pie chart where the rank of the animals of the the rank of the images are represented in the pie chart. Then next, going to the home button, all the functionalities in the admin module